Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Loginate, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. So without any further delay, let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch Snapchat application on your mobile device. Now, once you are here at the top left corner of your screen, you can see your Bitmoji. Tap on your Bitmoji. Now, once you are here again, at the top right corner, you can see a gear icon. Tap on that icon. Now, once you are here on the settings page, scroll down below and tap on the option of app appearance. With that, you'll have various options to choose your app appearance. So you can see that I have switched it to light. If you wish to, you can tap on always dark and your Snapchat's dark mode will be enabled. Also, your Snapchat's appearance will match your device appearance if you tap on Match System. Now, if you go to Custom, you can also add additional themes on Snapchat by purchasing Snapchat Plus. So this is a paid feature on Snapchat. So tap on Always Dark and you have successfully been able to enable dark appearance on Snapchat. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos.